excited today. Been crying at me all morning. All morning. Let's go, Dad. Let's go, Dad. And then he knows, right after brekkie, time to go out. As soon as I have my breakfast. Oh, not too bad today. The guy down there had a dog with no leash on. I'm really glad he knows the limit of this leash. I'd be in a snowbank. He's a happy boy. Hey, he's a happy boy. Run, 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 run. Come on, run. There we go. Woohoo! Like that running. Whoa. See? He doesn't. Homeless people live back there. Yep. Hey, Casey. Come on, buddy. Oh, the river is a little high today. How about that? Lined with geese. They're not in the water though. Well, some of them are. Just chilling. A couple ducks. Some ducks, some geese. The average. He hears them. Oh, we're about 15 minutes from home now. Almost done our walk for today. Easy walk today. Anybody?